People talk a lot about temperament in dogs, but very few explain how it's actually built. Over the years, I've seen dogs with great genetics still struggling, and dogs with lots of training that were never truly stable. That's because temperament balance is not created by one thing, not by training alone, not by socialization alone, and not even by early stimulation alone. At Southernwind, we have spent decades observing what truly creates stable, confident dogs over time. That's why I finally put into writing and we call the Southernwind Temperament Balance System. It's a structured framework that integrates genetics, early neurological development, sensory exposure, social balance, and clear human structure. This is not a trend, it's not a checklist, and it's not about producing puppies that look good at 8 weeks. It's about building dogs that remain mentally stable years later. I've shared this as an authority brief on our website, not as promotion, but as reference material for anyone who truly wants to understand temperament balance in dogs. You can find the full explanation in the link below. Balanced dogs are not born by chance. They're built with intention. Cecilia from Southernwind.